Welcome to the Park Hyatt Dubai, a luxury waterfront resort located along the banks of Dubai Creek. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of our Park Terrace Suite and the hotel grounds. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're interested in seeing more hotel and room tour videos like this one. We arrived at night and had a late check-in before making our way to our room 4401.
Here's a quick tour of our Park Terrace Suite with Lagoon View, room 4401. There's a very big entry area, and when you walk straight in, it's the living room with a little office desk. So let's see what they have here. It's Beverly's birthday, so they gave her a cake and some white wine. And by the sofa, they gave us some fruits. So there's a sofa right there with two other seats. And here is the coffee maker with some water. There's also some teas in here. There's the coffee and tea. It's kind of dark in here because we just got in the middle of the night. Here is the fridge, and it is full of drinks. And there's a small TV right there with a mirror. And there is this spectacular view of Dubai Creek and Beverly, the birthday girl. And they have this artificial sand pool by the creek. And you can see all the buildings in the background. There's a Burj Khalifa. And next we'll go to the bedroom. Actually, we'll check out the bathroom first. But this is the little closet. Pretty big closet. And there's our luggage. Some storage in here. So they give an additional 2 more pairs of slippers. And there's this very nice paper Park Hyatt Dubai bag. This one is empty. And this one is a souvenir. You can take this with you. That's very nice. And it's a very big bathroom, dual sinks with the usual Park Hyatt stuff. Some amenities. Here's a bidet with toilet. A bathtub. And rainfall shower. There's also a handheld shower if you want to use that. And here is the bedroom. King size bed with 2 tables, so they leave some they leave some water on each table. And if you want to get your shoes cleaned or laundry, you can fill up that form right there. Another TV in here. Not sure what's in here. It's a DVD player. And some more storage if you need it. And we have this huge balcony that overlooks Dubai Creek. And another view of the Burj Khalifa. And this very nice pool they have. And there's the marina with some boats. We'll probably have to do more videos tomorrow in the morning so we can see this clear. And that is the quick tour of our Park Terrace Suite with Lagoon View.
Look who's celebrating their birthday with some cake. And some wine. Thank you, Park Hyatt Dubai, for the cake, wine, and fireworks for my birthday. Just kidding. I know the fireworks weren't for me, but it was still a nice sight from our balcony on my birthday. The view from our balcony in the morning was even better as we got a beautiful view of the Dubai skyline in the distance and the lagoon and marina below. The Amara Spa is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and has a wide range of spa services, although we didn't get to avail of any of them during this trip. The fitness center is located next to the Amara Spa and is a fairly good size with plenty of different equipment available. Breakfast is served at the Brasserie du Park restaurant, which serves both buffet and a la carte options from a menu. From the a la carte menu, we ordered the French toast, the salmon and avocado toast, and the truffle and eggs. There's also exotic fruit such as dragon fruit and rambutan available at the buffet or by simply asking. Other restaurants on site include the Thai Kitchen, open daily from 6 p.m. to midnight, Noepe, open daily from noon to midnight, The Cinnamon Club, open weekdays 5 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 1 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Twiggy by La Cantine is the beach club and restaurant at the adults-only Lagoon Beach. Although there's a second lagoon pool for all ages on the other side of the property, which was the one in front of our room. There's a third pool, a standard pool, located near the Amara Spa. That's it for our tour of our Park Terrace Suite and the hotel grounds. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, and like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. We'll see you next time.